Hi YouTubers. So this is my alternative to rollers because those things don't work for some of it. It's at least that one, $100.50 off of eBay. For somebody that's 265 pounds. So this was my solution, and it actually works really well, with the exception that, see, there's the rim, there's the caster. This is a 4-inch caster. But the rim chews through the poly whatever it is, and now it doesn't work. It worked super slick for about 2 miles, and then it gave up the ghost. Use the car jacks and bike pegs to hold up the front tire, and that works really well, so long as you don't turn the wheel. This thing is very wobbly. Very wobbly. But that's my little update. I like the idea. Without the wood, it's quiet. With the wood, it's noisier than all get out. But I gotta find something similar but different. Okay, keep on learning. I got up to 400 watts on Zwift. Held it for about I don't know, 2 seconds. But yeah. Ciao.